As you can see, this is a pretty old remote and it's pretty bad. Take a look at that. We're just gonna jump right into this. No need a bunch of jive. I'm gonna take a little bit of vinegar and pour a little bit of that in here. Don't need a lot. And the first thing we're gonna do is, we got this really bad area. And get some of that vinegar. We're gonna get it in here. And what this is gonna do, it's gonna start eating this up. Get this working a little bit. Before we even mess with trying to take the batteries out, we're just gonna get this going on. As you can see, it's starting to bubble. So it's starting to work. You don't want to go sit here and bang the remote and try to get it off. We're just gonna let the vinegar work. It's magic. Starting to clean up quite well. Then you can use a flathead screwdriver, or I went and got me a pick set over there at Harbor Freight, and we will set this down here and we'll just try to work them out slow. That one came out pretty easy. This is the real bad one here. This one was really bad. Try picking from this end. Get that out of there. Yeah. Toothbrush here. Not terribly hard, but just enough. That end's got some corrosion too. And it's pretty much getting it here. I do like using the pick, then you can get some of this heavier buildup in here. Just heavier buildup inside. Be gentle with it. Toothbrush does work awesome. And just keep working it. Lid. It starts bubbling it right up. Wonderful thing. Oh, look at that. Look at how clean it is now. Alright. Get a paper towel. We'll dry this off real good. And get some batteries in here. Alright. Woo. All right. turn it on. Let's see what happens here. Alright, let's try it out. Back in business. Beautiful thing.
Wait, what is...
Hit the like button, consider being a subscriber, and follow me.